What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 144 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to get autographs through the mail. Baseball and football and basketball, racing, wrestling, all that kind of stuff. We're excited today because, well, we got a few in the mail, not a lot. But look at that freaking box. Holy cow. These are all different cards. We bought all these from one person. It's over 700 different autograph cards. Holy cow. That's going to help the sets a lot. All right, let's get at it. We're going to go through as many of these as we can. I was so excited, I didn't even mark who these were and how many days and blah, blah, blah. But check that out. Check out our website at www.harrygant.com. Harry Gant was a good race car driver in the 90s. I used to live down in Charlotte when he was racing, and he was one of my favorite guys. He was a good guy. I like these racing champion cards. These used to come with cars. I like that one. That's a nice one. Cool. So we got some Harry Gants. Who else did we get here? I think that took like 8 days, 9 days. This took like 12 days. Jeremy Lincoln, Game Day. Nice. Another card for the Game Day collection. Oh, he put a sleeve in here. This is probably another one that took about 11, 12 days. Paul Seaver. Another Game Day return. A lot of these Game Day cards, I didn't have very many cards to send to them. Some of these guys might not have cards besides Game Day. I don't know. Awesome. Neil O'Donnell. Look at that. Is Neil O'Donnell the one that got Larry Brown the MVP? Or was that Bubby Brister? I can't remember. They threw like 3 interceptions right to Larry Brown or something. But that's awesome. These are all. I love these collector edge cards. Of course, you guys know I love my Game Day cards. How many more do I got? I got one more. Luckily, that's all we have in the room to show. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, here's number 5. Like I said, all these took about 11 days. This one here, here's something crazy. You guys remember the video yesterday? I ended up getting, yesterday or the day before, I got Steve Trout in like 30 days or something like this. Here's a Steve Trout that's been out for 158 days. So I just got these back. 85 tops. Because I'm working on an 85 top set, so I might need those. And I'm working on an 87 set too, so those are awesome. I need those for sets. But that's weird. These took like, what, 4.5 months, and the other ones only took a month? That's really weird. But glad I got them back, because I really needed those. Anyway, I want to thank everybody that signed my cards. Mr. Gant, Mr. Lincoln, Mr. Seaver, Mr. O'Donnell, Mr. Trout. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to remind you guys to go to the 800 subscriber video. Check it out. Do a video response. And I tell you what, we're going to add another prize to it. We're going to add this year's basketball fat pack. So we'll give a fat pack away also. They're going for about $20 now on eBay. So do a video. Say one thing you like about the channel and one constructive criticism you'd like to see the channel change. You know, we've got some pretty good constructive criticism so far. I always like to try to improve the channel, see what you guys like. But hey, let's dig into these, man. These are awesome. There's 700 different cards. We probably won't get to see them all. And we're just going to breeze through them. Because you guys like to see this stuff. Some of you guys do. Some of you guys might not. But look at that. There's Joe Sambito. Vance Law. Tim Burke. Moose Hawes. He doesn't sign his mail. Mike Davis. I don't think he signed his mail. Ned Yost. John Wathen. He takes like a year. Look at that. Charlie Hudson. Bob Gibson. I just saw Johnny Serena get Bob Gibson yesterday, I think. Terry Poole. I mean, look at this. This is awesome stuff. I love this stuff. Bob Brenly. I don't think he signed his mail. Darrell Evans. John Castino. Look at the year. Mike Easler. Steve Rogers. Jim Tracy. Johnny Grubb. Andre Robertson. Bobby Witt. Look at that. Pete O'Brien. Bruce Hurst. I don't think Bruce Hurst signs his mail anymore either. I love getting these guys that don't sign their mail. Or these guys like Mark Thurman who signs one. I mean, you're going to charge, it's going to be $1.10 just to send it there and back. Kevin Bass, he charges now. Love getting these guys that charge now. They definitely help out my sets. And it's a cheap way of doing it. Just by looking through some of these cards, I can tell I need a lot of these cards. You know. I'm going to have to do a count on how many cards I actually needed out of these. Bill Fahey. Randy Reddy. I don't think Randy Reddy signs his mail anymore. I don't think Neil Allen does either. I don't think Foley does. I needed this, I think, for my 84 set, I hope. That'd be awesome. Hubie Brooks doesn't sign his mail. I think he's like a Pass Pros guy now. Art Howe. Terry Kennedy, I don't think he signs his mail anymore. Oh, look at that. Matt Williams. Wow. Like I said, when I buy these big lots, I always expect the worst. I always just expect they're going to be all commons, the guys that sign their mail right now. But I'm very pleasantly surprised. Like I said, Matt Williams, he's a good ball player. There's Rick Cerrone. He's a 1 per, so I might as well get him. If I can get him cheap, I might as well just buy him. Matt Noakes, I don't think he signs his mail anymore. Luis Gonzalez, somebody's been getting him back recently. There's Juan Guzman. David Need. I love these flare cards. Those are nice. I don't have any flare cards. So it's hard to see the names on these things. Charles Nagy's, Carl Everett. Look at that. Ellis Burks. He doesn't sign his mail. Like I said, very, very, very happy with these. Scott Hatberg. I think he was the one that Brad Pitt played on Moneyball. That'd be awesome, you know, have Brad Pitt play you in a movie. Mike Devereaux, I don't think he signs his mail anymore. I don't know. Look at this. This is even half of it, guys. Holy cow. Who the heck buys this many cards? Oh, that'd be me. I always buy a ton of cards. Kelly Gruber. Andy, no, that's not Andy. That's Alan Ashby. I did see that. I think there was an Andy Bennis in here somewhere. Alex Ochoa. CJ Nikowski. Eduardo Perez. Here's Pat Watkins. There's an Andy Bennis. So John Wayner. That Bill Gullickson. I've been getting him back if I put $5 in. $5 he'll sign a few cards for me. There's another Rick Cerrone. I love getting these Rick Cerrones. Like I said, I bought over 700 cards because this guy always hooks me up with extras. So I bought 700 cards from him, and I saw like 15 or 20 football cards I didn't order, so I figured those are the extras he threw in for me. He knows that I collect, you know, all the cards, so, and all sets. There's Lance Johnson, Paul Shoey, Dave Fleming, Joel Skinner. I don't think he signs his mail. Frank Tanana, Doug Drabeck. Yeah, not personalized either. Tommy Green. We might be getting to the no, we're still not at the halfway point. I thought we might be at the halfway point. That's crazy. Pat Tabler, he doesn't sign his mail anymore. Greg Brock, I don't think he signs his mail anymore. There's another unsigned Doug Drabeck. Milt Thompson, Jeff Huson. Is that Andy Bennis? Yep. No, yeah. Andy Bennis. Matt Young, Ricky Jordan. I don't think he signs his mail anymore. Franklin Stubbs. Sean Abner. I don't think Sean Abner signs his mail anymore. I was going to send to him because I needed the 85 set card signed. And I don't think he signs his mail. I didn't see any returns. Rick Russell quit doing his mail. There's Brett Butler. David Segui. Roberto Hernandez. Albie Lopez. Eddie Zosky. Mike Heath charges $12 or $15 in the mail. Got a bunch of these minor league cards. That might be half of them. There's more minor league cards. I love the minor league cards, so I like picking them up. Some people don't know the minor league cards. Yeah, there's Brad Cummins. These are some 80s. Terry Poole. Roy Howe. I don't think he signs his mail anymore. Never tried Ted Cox. I don't know if he signs or not. I don't think Randy St. Clair signs anymore. Juan Samuel. Yeah, like I said, I'm so happy with this. Such awesome stuff. This is going to fill many, many holes. Hopefully you guys stuck around and you're watching this. I mean, I'm sure some of you guys are interested in this stuff. I'm sure some of you quit as soon as I showed you the TTM. I bought some cool stuff today off a buddy of mine. He had some NASCAR stuff and some football stuff. He did TTMs back in the day. There was some decent NASCAR stuff. I'm not really into NASCAR, but I got it a decent price. I think it was 100 autographs I paid like $50 for. And there were some photos and cards and different kinds of things. I had some decent stuff. I had some like Mark Martins and some Jimmy Johnsons and stuff like that. So, well, I think I'll do all right. Most of it I probably need for the albums. Not sure what I'll do with the photos and stuff. I'll probably sell them on eBay or something. Just because I'm not really into like the racing photos. Might sell them as a lot or something. I don't know. I just collect the cards. But like I said, if I can pick up photos and stuff for cheap, you know, I'll go ahead and sell them and try to buy more cards with the money. Because like I said, I really like the cards. Chris Spire doesn't charge. I think he charges through the mail. Larry Anderson, I can't find a good address for. This is newer, like minor league stuff. And Bowman and stuff. I don't know any of those guys, so I'm not really going to go through it. You guys might know some of them, but I don't know. Chances are there's no Mike Trouts in there or anything, you know. So they're probably just guys that never really made it. And guys I don't know, so they're just going to go in albums somewhere. We might get through all these. Yeah, here's some of the NFL cards. There's Mike Rozier. He just threw these in for free. There's a hockey card and a Jeff George card. There's some more minor league stuff. More minor league stuff. I love these cards. I can't remember if what these came out of. I know they're Stadium Club, but I can't remember if these are minor league cards or they came out of regular Stadium Club. I don't remember. There's Alan Bennis. Darren Kirkwright. I saw Mike Kelly and some other decent guys out of this stuff. But anyway, I'm hitting the 15-minute mark. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed all this stuff. There's more. But I said I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, please subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thanks, guys. Peace.